All right, so today I have a new magnetic phone mount to share for your dash, or you could use it for a lot of other things too. I'll do a couple different demos for it, but this one does adjust. You got your magnetic ring here, but this one also has the vacuum seal, so you can stick it to your dash, twist it for the vacuum pull, and it's supposed to be able to hold on for a lot better. This one also does rotate. You can hear it. It is fairly stiff, so you don't have to worry about your phone moving quite a bit, and it should hold on pretty well. So let's go ahead and put it on and give it a try. Now my dash has this textured material, so I'm not exactly sure how well it will hold on to this, so we're going to try it. And the rest of my dash, I wouldn't be able to really put it on there. Don't think it would really fit on the edge, be a little too big for that. Not really going to work there either on the really smooth surface. So we're going to find out just how well it will work on this textured stuff. So you're going to take off this little sticky cover. So this is sticky along with the suction cup. So we'll put that on, and then we're supposed to twist it to tighten it. And then that holds it on, which actually has a really good hold. I didn't think it was going to hold that well on this texture, but it actually works really well. And then we can put our phone on here. Easily adjust it to different angles. Yeah, it's a pretty good solid hold. Now I kind of want to try this on a couple other things, like my tractor. That was the idea for this one. I was looking for a mount that I can put on my tractor somehow for whenever I'm out working. I'll be able to have my phone visible. So we're going to try that. That's what I wanted this for, but I want to show you in a car as well. Let's go ahead and unlock it. That has a pretty good suction, if you heard that. So I was wondering if I could stick this to my tractor and if it would carry or hold up to the vibration and everything. So we're going to test that one now. I'm trying to think where I want it. We have a really solid hold. So the hold of the mount itself is really, really good. All right, we'll find out. So I'm going to call this mount a pretty good success. It holds on really well. Didn't have to worry about vibrations. It didn't fall off the tractor. And it just has a really good grip to it. It has a really good suction to it and everything. Overall, I'm going to say that this mount works great if you're looking for a magnetic suction mount to put on any kind of surface, whether it's a smooth surface, a textured surface, whatever it might be. This one does hold on really, really well. And it actually held up to the vibrations and stuff much better than I thought it was going to. It actually holds the phone pretty well too. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.